Understanding the transfer of rights is crucial in today's complex legal landscape. Whether you're a business owner, creative professional, or simply entering into a contract, knowing how to properly transfer rights can protect your interests and avoid potential legal pitfalls. Transfer of rights contracts allow individuals to delegate their contractual rights and responsibilities to another party. This can be done through two main methods: assignments and delegations. Assignments transfer full contractual rights to the assignee. This means the new party gains the exact same rights as the original contracted party. Assignments generally don't require permission from the other party in the contract, unless the rights being transferred are personal in nature. However, assignments may be prohibited if the contract explicitly forbids them, if they're illegal or against public policy, or if a court rejects them. Delegations, on the other hand, transfer duties but maintain liability with the original party. For example, if you delegate a contractual payment and that payment isn't made, you can still be held liable. It's important to note that certain obligations, especially those requiring special skills or knowledge, cannot be delegated. Copyrights present a unique situation in transfers of rights. Only the copyright holder can license or transfer the rights to their creative work, with the exception of work-for-hire situations. Copyrights can be transferred in whole or in part, but exclusive rights transfers must be in writing and signed by the copyright owner. Non-exclusive rights transfers don't require a written agreement. When considering transfers of rights, it's crucial to be aware of legal considerations and state-specific rules. State regulations and laws apply to copyright ownership and transfers, including inheritance of these property rights. Some states may have specific restrictions on certain types of contractual rights transfers, particularly those involving licenses or permits. In the realm of copyright law, creators may retain termination rights, allowing them to reclaim copyrights after a specific term, typically 35 years after the original transfer. This provision in federal copyright law can significantly impact long-term rights management. Understanding the intricacies of rights transfers is essential in navigating today's legal landscape. Whether you're assigning contract rights, delegating duties, or transferring copyrights, being informed about the process and potential pitfalls can help protect your interests and ensure smooth, legally sound transactions.